Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain you how you can export YNAB data to Excel. So let's get started. So first, open YNAB in your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look at the left-hand menu and click on the account you want to export to Excel. This will bring up a full list of all your transactions within that account. Now choose any recent transaction. Let's say I'm selecting this manual balance adjustment just as an example. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a menu bar. Click on the More option, and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Export Transactions. Once you click it, YNAB will automatically download a file to your computer in Excel CSV format. As you can see, mine is already downloaded. Let's open it up. Inside, you'll find all your transaction data neatly organized and ready to use in Excel. And just like that, you've successfully exported your YNAB data for reporting, backup, or deeper analysis.